have a very complex chemical operations. We have about 28,000 different products, different chemicals. Our process in making those products is very complex. So we wanted a partner that actually understood the manufacturing side of it. Some of the strength that came out of Hitachi's proposal and presentations was the OCM part, which is very important for our company as change management. We established a fairly large team, which is about 70 people, which makes up 10% of our total staffing. And we now did, in 14 weeks' time, we did the blueprint design, the platform we're establishing right now. So it's an S/4HANA 1709 version. And we have the line of businesses on success factors. Data is very important. So we also engaged in cloud analytics to strengthen our analytics abilities. So that is also a very strong concept from Hitachi. The match we have with the entire Hitachi team is really the people are blending into our culture. We're really looking to build a strategic collaboration between the two companies. We know that Hitachi still has a lot to offer, and we have still a lot to do within the company.